Are you doing dropshipping on eBay? Do you want to start dropshipping on eBay? What if your account is totally brand new? eBay is badly suspending accounts, but why? Then how you can do dropshipping safely on eBay? And if you're someone who is just gonna try eBay for dropshipping, and if you're just starting off with new account, then how you can proceed? Must watch this video because it will save your time and money which you will spend on eBay against selling items, paying fees and all stuff like that. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and very well. I'm Zain Ahmed from Easy Teacher with Fun YouTube channel, back again with a new video. In this video, I'll help you guys to avoid suspension on eBay while doing dropshipping. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I'd like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. First of all, let me explain dropshipping. Here are two types of dropshipping. One is retail dropshipping and second is wholesale dropshipping. In retail dropshipping, we just research the item from eBay and find on Amazon or Walmart to list on eBay as our own item. When this type of item sold on eBay, we bought from retail side and give them our customer's address to ship the item. That's how retail dropshipping works and it looks very easy. But eBay clearly said retail dropshipping is not allowed. While in wholesale dropshipping, we do research for wholesale items and we bought specific item in bulk from wholesalers and store them in pick pack ship centers or at our own home and list on eBay. After sale, we process the shipping from home. Our pick pack shipping centers process shipment automatically because they can have your recent order details via automation system. Most of us do retail dropshipping because of low investment, but when you take over to this way and you're not expert, you're listing video items, restricted categories of eBay, then obviously eBay can suspend your account anytime. Now, how you guys have to deal with it? To avoid suspension, I'm going to explain that. If you just sign up eBay today or want to sign up today, then don't rush to start dropshipping because you will be suspended more likely than older ones. So after sign up, crawl eBay products pages daily until you reach at least 2 months age of your eBay account. You can check out your account age by clicking your eBay user ID like that. After watching membersins, you will get to know your eBay age. Now you have to list 5 items on your eBay account. Remember please, those items should be from your own home and can be in used condition. Choose spare small items from your home, like card holders, egg boilers, or something like that, which cost less than $10 when you bought again in new condition. You have to list 1 used item per day till 5 days with consistency. Make sure to list it in just some cents or $1 to $5 with free shipping. Sell them in auction. Ask customers to leave you feedback. Now purchase 10 low price items from other sellers. Low price items means under $1 items and ask them for feedback. Get at least 10 positive feedbacks. Now start research for very wholesale item and buy it in bulk from wholesalers. There are a lot of items you can get it in really cheap price. Start with low investment, like you can start it with $1,000 to $5,000. Make sure to buy quality items and must get an audit through local inventory checkers before start shipment towards you. Do it with your cash flow again and again. It's the best way to start healthy dropshipping on eBay. If you like this way of dropshipping, so they will never ever suspend your account. And if you have old eBay account, then you guys can start from finding wholesale items and then source them from wholesalers. I hope you guys did like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I'll definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. To take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.